Namaste everyone. Tikki and Gol Gappe or Batashe are favorite to all, especially ladies. My all recipes are without onion or garlic. This is just general talk or observation. When we talk about red color, our blood is red. When we talk about black, our hairs and eyes are black. It is not a matter of discussion. All colors and its importance are described by humans. Exercise can be natural or imposed. Daily routine work also consists of many exercises. When housewives serve from kitchen to dining table and move from one room to another, it's an exercise or walking. Even if you are using stairs, it's very good exercise, remedy for many health problems, activate your lung and blood circulation. If you are free, then you can go to the garden, go to the ground, you can play outdoor games and various yogic exercises, and you can join the gym and many more things. There are various ways of doing exercises. When we talk about the development is in every area, means upgradation. When I go for marketing or other things, I usually observe same gadde on road even after 3 or 4 years. Who is responsible? Sadak Parivahan Nigam. Mostly in public area like the shopping malls, toilets are good. Many workers are cleaning frequently, but usually number of Western toilet is more than Indian toilet. I think Western toilet is for personalized use or if person have knee or backbone problem. I think Indian toilet is best for public use. Toilet is not sufficient. Water and soap is also needed. During a skating competition, I usually observed in a school, toilets were there, but no flush, sometimes little water and no soap, sometimes no dustbin. You can use soap paper, you can kept along with you, many things. Flushing designing is also important. Sometimes few people complain some urinal part is left on seat cover or food cover. This is all about hygiene maintenance. If sensor tap is useful, then it should not be used by a specific people or for specific places. What is the value of light, water, plants, and internet nowadays? Everyone know. Few people are so much blessed to have all these things at one place. I am also one of them. Thank you God for everything. When we talk about accident or control by traffic police, it is better not to build system after third gear because you cannot teach other person how to drive car or any vehicle. I observed many things on road. Then we talk about equality. Then mostly person come an issue with giving same rights to everyone. I generally observe that if your employee will come late, if you will not say anything, then he will take advantage. First day he will come 10 minutes late, next day 30 minutes late. If you will give leave, then next time he will ask more leave. Never tell shortcuts to your employee because if he came to know about the shortcut, then every day he will take shortcut in any work. Gradually they take advantage. If I will talk about myself, then I know when I have to take shortcut of working or when elaborate the things. Person usually say if you are working like this, others also wants to like this, means everyone wants to work in own way, so everyone should be responsible for their work honesty. Everyone always check others honesty, not own. This is the major problem. Our focus is always on others. Obviously we have five senses. Thanks to God all are working. I am so blessed. Actually दूसरे ज़्यादा अच्छे होते हैं, अपने कहाँ साथ में रहो तब पता लगता है कौन कैसा है. I can understand humans are on topmost. Their creativity cannot be ignored. Few things we know, few things we don't know. All is human mind or brain creation. What we will watch, observe, listen repeatedly, it becomes true. It is all about conscious and unconscious mind. We have to study what are the causes or factor for this. Showing power is general phenomena. It is generally observed. our gift or other responses according to post or position of other person, even when we work at different places of different quality. Accordingly our behavior, taking an example, if maid or servant are working in bangla, their responses or behavior are different. It's general tendency. According to position we give respect, honor to other peoples. How a divine being or divine person can prove his power or union with god? This is again the major question.